5. Amazing vegetarian protein foods that are better than eggs. Hello. Welcome to Enlarge Health. Today I will share 5 amazing vegetarian protein foods that are even better than eggs. Many people believe that eggs are the best source of protein, but there are vegetarian foods that offer more protein and additional health benefits. So, let's get started. Why protein is important. Protein is essential for muscle growth, repair, and overall body strength. It also helps in burning fat, keeps your skin glowing, strengthens your hair, and reduces the risk of joint problems. When we think about protein, eggs often come to mind. One egg contains around 6 grams of protein, but modern eggs may not be as healthy as they seem due to antibiotics and poor farming conditions. That's why we should consider plant-based protein sources that are rich in nutrients, easy to digest, and packed with health benefits. Let's check out these 5 amazing vegetarian protein foods. 1. Black lentils and green lentils. Just one small bowl of black lentils contains around 15 grams of protein. They are also rich in magnesium, manganese, and zinc, which help in muscle strength and immunity. Black lentils can be slightly heavy to digest, but if you cook them with herbs like asafoetida and bay leaf, they become easier on the stomach. Green lentils, which contain 14 grams of protein per serving, and are very easy to digest. You can enjoy them as soup, sprouted salad, or pancakes. Studies show that eating lentils daily reduces the risk of diabetes, while eating too many eggs can increase diabetes risk. That's why lentils are a better choice than eggs. 2. Roasted chickpeas and chickpea flour. Did you know that 100 grams of roasted chickpeas contain 22 grams of protein? Because they are roasted, they are free from anti-nutrients, which makes them easier to absorb. Even modern science confirms that chickpea protein is one of the best plant-based proteins. Instead of unhealthy snacks like chips, you can eat roasted chickpeas as a crunchy snack. You can also make a chickpea salad by adding onions, tomatoes, and lemon. Chickpea flour, which is just ground roasted chickpeas. 1 scoop of chickpea flour has 7 grams of protein and can be used in pancakes, flatbreads, and smoothies. 3. Milk and dairy products. Cottage cheese, yogurt, and buttermilk. 1 glass of milk contains 10 grams of high-quality protein, along with vitamin D, B12, omega-3 fatty acids, and conjugated linoleic acid. These nutrients help in muscle repair and bone health. If you add lemon to milk, it turns into cottage cheese, which has around 20 grams of protein per 100 grams. If you turn milk into yogurt, 1 bowl provides 7 grams of protein. Studies show that drinking milk after a workout helps in faster muscle recovery. Instead of artificial protein shakes, you can mix milk with banana and chickpea flour for a natural post-workout drink. For those who don't like milk, buttermilk is a great alternative that is easy to digest and good for gut health. 4. Green peas. At number 4, we have green peas, which are one of the few vegetables that contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. 1 cup of green peas contains 9 grams of protein, and studies have shown that pea protein is just as effective as whey protein for muscle growth. You can enjoy green peas in vegetable curries, rice dishes, or as a snack. One of the best high-protein meals is green peas with cottage cheese, which provides 25 grams of protein per serving. According to health experts, green peas are best eaten at lunch since they can be slightly heavy to digest, but they are still a great choice for dinner. 5. Peanuts. At number 5, we have peanuts, which are the highest protein nut. Just 1 handful, about 20 peanuts, contains 7 grams of protein. Peanuts are also rich in healthy fats, which help in reducing body fat and improving heart health. Peanuts can be eaten as a snack, added to dishes like salads, or made into peanut butter. If you compare peanuts to almonds, cashews, or walnuts, peanuts have the highest protein content. Studies show that while animal protein sources can increase heart disease risk, eating peanuts regularly reduces heart disease risk by 13%. How much protein do we really need? You might be wondering how much protein you need daily. The amount of protein you need depends on your age, activity level, and health goals. However, for most people, a good guideline is sedentary adults, little to no exercise, need about 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. or 0.36 grams per pound. Active individuals and athletes may need 1.2 to 2.0 grams per kilogram of body weight. Elderly people and those recovering from illness may also need slightly more protein. For example, if you weigh 70 kilograms, you need around 56 grams of protein per day if you're not very active. If you're regularly exercising, you may need 70 to 140 grams per day. Can you eat too much protein? Yes. While protein is essential, eating too much can strain your kidneys, cause digestive issues, and lead to weight gain. Instead of focusing only on high protein intake, it's better to have a balanced diet with good quality protein sources, fiber, and healthy fats. Not only do these foods provide more protein, but they also have additional health benefits like improving digestion, boosting immunity, and reducing the risk of diseases. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Stay healthy and safe.